Welcome to our new pizzeria. 4 cheese. Today, our summer getaway continues, and after more than 2 hours of driving from Sufers, Switzerland, we arrived in our exquisite accommodation in Limbiate, Italy. Welcome to our lovely abode for 3 nights, della Casa Vacanza via booking.com. Welcome to our new home for 3 nights and 4 days. Ito yung kitchen. Grabe, super luwag niya. Look, super authentic. Very, very Italian. Ito yung kitchen. My God, talagang ano yung muebles niya, oh. Kitchen. Muebles ko muebles. Pang malakasan. May oven pa. At meron siyang crook. Grabe yung ano, oh. Cabinet. Oh, panalo chandelier. And the mirror. Let's take a look at the mirror. Pwede kami magpa-party dito. Ito yung first room. Uy, grabe naman. Grabe to, oh. Ang donya. Parang mga 1900s to, my gosh. Look at this, my God. Grabe, grabe naman sa cabinet. Nakakaloka yung cabinet. Feeling ko nandito eh. Nandito si Chucky. Parang mga 1900s yung cabinet niya. Look at that. Malaki siya, in fairness. Maluwag. And may shower. Wala lang siyang bathtub. Pero may shower naman. At may laundry bag. And then may bidet. Master's bedroom. Oh, grabe yung headboard niya. Chandelier. And then this room has the TV, small TV, and a big couch. And it also has here a balcony with a view. Ano siya mga buya? Garden nila sa ilang. Nakailangan ng place. Excited kayong dalawa. Come, let's go! At ito pa pala, oh, sa kitchen, may pang-serve. Parang trolley. Saka lahat meron siyang net. So, anti-mosquito net. Oh, masaya. Super protected ka. And we can also use their backyard. Diba pala isang cabinet? Look at that. Ang mga plates, pang tea time, mga pot. So, pwede silang maglaro ng hide and seek sa sobrang laki. Enjoy na enjoy si Miri. Good night. Cheers. So, after 48 years and friends, we're gonna have our dinner. Our first dinner here in Italy. Gitatay na po. Sila Mamshi. Super pawisan. So we're here in a very small pizzeria. Look at that. Authentic pizzeria siya. Murachi lang, around 6 euros yung pizza nila. So let's see if it really tastes good. Sabi ni Papsi, it's like a Doneran in Germany. So let's check it out. Gutom na si baby. Is 4 cheese pizza. And what is this one?
Diablo.
Diablo. Ooh. So, authentic pizza sa tabi-tabing pizzeria. 4 cheese. Sarap. Yummy.
The next day, we are ready to tour Milan, Italy. First, we drove to the nearest metro station, which is the Comasina. Since Milan is a big city, it would be difficult to find a parking space in the city center for a lower price. That's why we decided to park in Comasina and take the train from here going to Missouri. It's the 12th station from the end, where we're gonna have our lunch in our most favorite place in the world.
So today we are going to visit the very famous Duomo, the cathedral here in Milan. But before that, we're going to eat first in our favorite fast food, which is none other than Jollibee! So we alight in Missouri Station. This is the nearest station to Jollibee. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's get! Nandito na po tayo sa Jollibee. Oh my God! It's almost 3 years since the last time I ate Jollibee. Halika na! Let's dig in! Uy, meron na rin silang ganito. Dito sa Jollibee. Milan. Let's go! Let's order!
After our sumptuous meal in Jollibee, we're ready to roll! The most iconic architectural building in the city is just a few meters from here. None other than the Duomo di Milano.
Look at that! Nandito na tayo sa Duomo.
The Duomo Milano, or the Cathedral Church of Milan, Lombardy, Italy, is dedicated to the Nativity of Saint Mary. It is the seat to the Archbishop of Milan, currently Archbishop Mario Del Pino.
So, nandito na tayo sa world famous Duomo Cathedral in Milan, Italy. Super laki na.
The cathedral took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Construction began in 1386 and the final details were completed in 1965. It is the largest church in the Italian Republic. The larger St. Peter's Basilica is in the state of the Vatican City, a sovereign state, and possibly the second largest in Europe and the third largest in the world. Its size and position remain a matter of debate.
Ang daming nagkukiwa dito sa Duomo sa... no, yan yung exit on the cathedral. So if you wanted to visit the cathedral, you need to book ahead of time if you book it online or queue there for a long time. But we're not willing to queue. So we're gonna skip the inside of the cathedral. But we're gonna check around the area because it's still very beautiful. So let's see.
The roof is actually open to tourists, which allows many of a close-up view of some spectacular sculpture that would otherwise be unappreciated. The roof of the cathedral is renowned for its forest of open work, pinnacles, and spires, set upon delicate flying buttresses. Milan is such a beautiful city, but it seems that it's overcrowded and not that kid-friendly. On the next video, we will bring you to a family-friendly itinerary while enjoying a busy, wonderful city. That's it for today. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!